2 years ago when I was down here, I saw this for the first time and I thought, boy, you could pack a pile of kids in here, or girlfriends, or the people from your knitting group, or whatever it is you do, your fishing, hiking people. Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper, editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine, and brand ambassador for Keystone. They make some of the most beautiful models out there in the industry. So when I decided I'm gonna get a seasonal site and I'm gonna buy myself a trailer that is gonna hold a crowd, I came to Keystone and I said, what have you got? So here I am today in the Sprinter 3810 QBS, quad bunks. Come on, give me a break. I've never seen this. We got storage bunks on top of the half bathroom. There's a half bathroom right over there. Hook up for a TV up top, so if you wanted to put one there. So much cabinet space in here. Everybody who has a bed could also have a drawer, and then everybody will have their own shelf in here. The windows are gigantic. Each one of these bunks has their own light, so if one person's gonna stay up and read, they can have light and everybody else can have it off. So this bunkhouse is a huge selling point for me. Okay, plus this bunkhouse has its own door. Put the grandbabies to bed, close the door, and then come out here. So one of the things that I'm looking at for myself in the use of this family space, this group space, is this section here. So we've got the beautiful theater seats, which I love personally for myself, but when I think about how I want to use it, I think I'd like the super sofa. So Keystone gives you the option of getting this big, long, giant sofa, which everybody can sit in, lounge, recline, watch the television. The storage in this kitchen is absolutely beautiful. The finishes are beautiful. I always love and appreciate a big stainless steel sink like this. Really nice faucets. You got the 3-burner stove here. But when I think about how you would use this space with the big giant sofa, you could even stick some stools here if you wanted to, and the fireplace and TV. But let me show you this pantry that is to die for. Are you ready for this? Prepare yourselves. I literally don't have this much pantry space in my kitchen at home. So when I think about this, I think baskets on the bottom, things that you don't use all the time, not necessarily food, cooking things here, food, extra dishes and things. So this has a lot of storage in an RV that already has a lot of storage. So this to me is kind of a key element. I love the detail in this kitchen. I was checking out this, sat down here to think, oh, what a great place to sit down and take off your shoes. And I look straight across, and haven't they put in a drawer here? Drop your keys, your phone, your stuff in this drawer, place for everything and everything in its place. This provides a lot. I think you get a lot of bang for your buck here. This is on that level, but 13,500 pounds, under 43 feet. So a beautiful option, and I'm gonna put it on my list.